Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a set of earrings and necklace using my favorite stone from Swarovski Elements, the Cosmic Ring. Let's start making! Here are the materials that I'm going to use. For the earrings, 2 pieces of 14mm AB Cosmic Ring. And for the pendant, 1 piece of 20mm AB Cosmic Ring. For the necklace pendant, 3 pieces of 8mm Zillion pendant. And for the earrings, 6 pieces of 6mm AB Zillion pendant. AB is the abbreviation for Aurora Borlealis. This special crystal were named after the northern lights. And here are the other components. Different sizes of jump rings. And for the earrings, I will be using 8mm Circles by Jonathan's signature logo charm. And 10mm for the necklace pendant. Stainless steel hook earrings. And stainless steel chain. Starting from the Cosmic Ring, I attached 2 1x8mm of jump rings. And for the Zillion pendant, I use a smaller jump rings and hook them one by one and then connect them to the Cosmic Ring. And then I will connect them to the Circles by Jonathan's signature logo charm. Look at that beautiful AB color. It has yellow, green, and blue. Now I'm going to prepare the chain. This length is 16 inches. 18 and 20 inches are also available upon request. I will connect 2 jump rings on both ends, and on the other side, I will attach the lobster lock. And lastly, the pinch bail so that I can connect the whole pendant to the necklace. And this is the finished design. Isn't it gorgeous? The process of making the earrings is the same as the bracelet, but since the earrings are smaller, I need to be careful attaching them together, especially the crystal since it's very fragile. sure that your earrings will stay, I always add silicone rubber stopper. This set will definitely stand out when you wear them on your next special occasion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this AB Cosmic Ring sets of earrings and necklace collection. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you on my next video. For more collections and new designs, please visit my website at www.circlesbyjonathan.com. See you there!